Hi everyone, this is Max here, and in today's video we are exploring into how to create a link of your photos or videos without any application. So let's dive in. First of all, open up your web browser, tap on the search bar and search for Mediafire. Now tap on search. Now tap on Mediafire. Now at the top part of your screen, tap on the upload icon. Now click on the blank space. Now go to Media Picker. Now select the photo you want to upload. Now wait for some time. Now next to share, tap on copy link. Now you can share the link to your friends. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome contents. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.